A day in the life of a cybersecurity practitioner. It's a very interesting day. It can be very, very interesting. It can start from being very, very orderly to not being orderly at all. It can start from it can start with you having a very, very good plan, or ending your day at 5 p.m. and then it ends up not ending at all. So cybersecurity field is very, very dynamic. It can change from being one way and ending up to being something very, very different. And therefore, my advice to any cybersecurity practitioner any day is that you need to have your mind open always. You might be working at the SOC and expecting a certain way of events happening, but then end up totally different. You can be just a simple penetration test, having your calendar very orderly, that you're going to look at specific subnets, try to check whether there are existing vulnerabilities, trying to follow up with stakeholders to fix those vulnerabilities, and then a 0-day attack pops up, or 0-day vulnerability pops up, and you need to ensure and give assurance that all the assets across the organization are safe. And therefore, you really need to have your mind open as a cybersecurity engineer or practitioner. That's one of the best advices I can give you if you're trying to venture into cybersecurity. So, and even if you're already in the cybersecurity field, you always need to start your day with an open mind, and know that your day can start one way and end up being totally different from how you had anticipated it. I believe one of the biggest strengths that you can have as a cybersecurity practitioner is being dynamic, and being able to adopt, being flexible to changing times, and that will keep you in the business for a very, very long time due to the fluidity of the cybersecurity field. So if I can give you one advice as a cybersecurity engineer, be very fluid, be very open to ideas, be very open to learning, and always expect well, let me not say expect the worst, but always expect something. Don't always have your day fixed to one thing. All the best from Service Desk. Bye bye.